Hello everyone, I am Ricky and welcome to today's edition of the Mouse Bites. The Mouse Bites are your latest Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Universal Orlando news. I have big news for Star Wars fans. Now, if you're going to be going to Disney's Hollywood Studios to catch Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, to visit the land, maybe it's your first time, maybe you've been before, well, the most popular thing that you can do, basically, besides, at this point, Rise of the Resistance, is to build a lightsaber at Savi's workshop. Now, this is an incredible experience. I've done it myself. You actually get to build your own personal lightsaber. You get to choose the pieces that you want on your lightsaber. You get to choose the color of the lightsaber that you want to have. And it's all like custom created in the sense of you get to choose the pieces and you get to create the lightsaber of your dreams. So with, of course, all of the COVID stuff going on, they had to temporarily pause the ability for guests to be able to build their own lightsaber. The good news is that the ability to build your own lightsaber is coming back to Savi's workshop. So guests are going to be able to do this once again at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Disney's Hollywood Studios beginning on September 20th. So like I said, for those who don't know, Savi's Workshop is an experiential store, basically, that allows you to create your very own one-of-a-kind lightsaber. Now, there are 4 different themes that you can choose from. The first is peace and justice. The second is power and control. The third is elemental nature. And the fourth is protection and defense. Now, lightsabers do cost $199 plus tax, and they include a carrying case. Now, of course, due to physical distancing, the lightsaber experience is going to be a little different than it was in the past. And capacity is, of course, going to need to be reduced because keep in mind, the space was already pretty tight and they kind of crammed you in there. So they're definitely not going to have as many people be able to do the lightsaber experience at a time. So they're going to have to figure that part out, I'm sure. Reservations, advanced reservations are, of course, highly recommended because of this fact. So if building a lightsaber is something that is on your must-do list for your next trip to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, you're gonna want to make sure that you have your reservation done in advance. Now, do keep in mind, they will have the ability to make reservations like on a wait list while you're there if you weren't able to make your reservation ahead of time. But again, I wouldn't count on the waitlist option if you absolutely have to have a lightsaber that you've built yourself. So, also keep in mind that you're going to need to visit the DisneyWorld.com website or the My Disney Experience mobile app to make your reservation. You also need to make sure that you have a valid Disney Parks Pass reservation for Disney's Hollywood Studios for the day that you are looking to build your lightsaber. So just kind of keep that in mind. So like I said, the lightsaber experience is one of the coolest things I've done in my entire life. And I'm so thankful to the friends who let me build their lightsaber for them. So that was very gracious of them to let me do that for them. But anyway, if you want to see what the experience is like, you can check out, we have a video here on our YouTube channel. And I'll probably slip in a little piece of it right about here.
On your chassis, blue with blue. Red with red. Snap into place. Natural builders. This is the switch that will activate the legs. Your crystal is working.
Now, if you want to build your very own lightsaber, our friends at the Magic for Less Travel would be more than happy to assist you. They can get you a free, no obligation quote, and you can be building your lightsaber in no time. So make sure you visit themagicforless.com. Make sure you follow along with The Mouse for Less on all of our social sites. So you've got Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Also, make sure you sign up for our newsletter that goes out every other week so you can get the most latest news, tips, money-saving options, all that kind of stuff. We are more than happy to help you. So head to The Mouse for Less. The newsletter button is up at the top. Click on that and you can sign up today. That's going to do it for today's edition of the Mouse Bites. We'll see you all next time. Have a great day, everyone.